Let's see if this garden ornament can be a barbecue.
There are slugs living on the roof, so I'll put these guys in the garden, probably away from my veggie patch.
Upon closer inspection, I realised this was home to a family of redbacks.
I reckon a black widow or redback is probably poisonous enough to mess me up pretty bad, if not take out Peggy altogether. So I want to be pretty careful about this. Why am I doing this at all? Alright, so I'll just pour some charcoal in here. Now, tables made of wood tend to be pretty flammable. I got some prawns. I'm just going to give them a quick hit with some lemon, some white pepper, garlic salt, a little drizzle of chili oil. You want to go through the tail and then through the head, tail and head, just through the meatiest part of it. Here's a quick update on my planter boxes. 2 weeks since they were planted, nothing was growing yet. Just get some coriander and maybe some Vietnamese mint. Okay, I'm just going to cut up some of these herbs. I reckon you're done. Yep, herbs. I reckon that actually worked really well.
I feel extremely lonely. Isolation sucks.